Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires! Tappy is here, ready to guide you through the confusing world of cryptocurrency. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda: how to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. Those who aren't newbies in the world of cryptocurrency know that the landscapes of this wonderland are super dynamic. Take those frequent token releases. Most of you are familiar with the most desired cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, or TON. By the way, do you know how Bitcoin communicates with other currencies? Through a peer-to-peer chat. Sorry, I got carried away. Anyway, besides those ultra-popular ones, many other tokens keep emerging in this ecosystem. And if you're interested in holding cryptocurrencies, you have two main options. You can use a centralized exchange, aka CEX, or a private, aka self-custodial wallet to store your treasures. Now, you might be waiting for me to give you a direct answer about which option is better. It's not that easy since each of them has its own pros and cons. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. Tappy deactivated.